Hey, what's going on, guys? If you can't see me right now, you need to scroll around directly behind you. And that is because this is some of the first footage coming out of the new DJI Avata 360. So this video is gonna be pretty simple. Basically, I'm just at a really epic location and I'm gonna upload this video in VR. So if you guys have headsets, you can look around, or if you're on your phone or computer, you can just scroll around and look in 360 degrees. This drone is incredibly exciting and you're about to see why. So we are back, and as you guys can see, the possibilities with this drone are really endless, and it's just so amazing to have a DJI drone that shoots in 360 nowadays. So at the end of this video, I'm just gonna close out doing one more pan backwards. And I know this video was super quick, but hope you guys enjoyed, and if you wanna see more content on the Avata 360, make sure you subscribe.